Truck scale system accessories. Quality truck scale accessories increase efficiencies and optimize the flow of trucks in and out of your plant. Knowing which accessories will complement your current operations can help you better select an overall truck scale system and manufacturer. Refer to your site planning flow map to see where an accessory can speed up processes and reduce the risk of human error. Always consider the space an accessory will need prior to installing your truck scale system to ensure the best truck maneuverability and flow. Accessories include ticketing kiosks, remote displays, traffic signals, printers, guide rails and more. Guide rails offer drivers protection against accidental drive-offs. Many suppliers offer guide rails. Make sure you examine the designs of each with your scale supplier closely, including the shape and strength of the rail. Some guide rails have open-ended rails, while others are sealed or plugged with an end cap. Open-ended rails can accumulate debris and moisture, and guide rails plugged with an end cap can corrode from the inside if moisture seeps past the cap. Caps with a welded seal offer the best protection, keeping debris and moisture buildup out of the rail. Automated ticketing kiosks are another accessory that some customers choose. From RFID truck identification to load assignment, weighing and ticketing, unattended automated ticketing kiosks optimize truck traffic and improve safety by keeping drivers behind the wheel. Many manufacturers' kiosks can integrate with your central office and accounting systems. Printers and printer kiosks improve more than just speed and accuracy. Many printer kiosk systems offer state-of-the-art features like RFID, vehicle recognition and durable weatherproof designs. Truck scale data management software can print tickets or reports, as well as store information to a central database. Data management software enhances the functionality of automated ticketing kiosks by providing advanced data management and reporting capabilities. Most software systems are adaptable to a wide variety of industries, and are compatible with many popular operating systems, streamlining your scale house or front office operations with your truck scale. Most manufacturers' software allows you to generate reports, often broken down by a number of variables including customer, hauler, truck, product, and vendor. Remote displays are very popular with customers who own truck scales. Whether you need to see weight readouts up close or messages at a distance, remote displays light up information to increase efficiency and provide direction to drivers. Many remote displays are customizable and feature stop, go red and green signal lights. Stop lights can be very helpful to control traffic flow around your truck scale. Industrial strength stop lights professionally communicate the universal stop and go red and green signals at a distance, speeding up scale traffic and eliminating congestion. Finally, barrier gates can be purchased as well. These can block access at the entry or exit of your truck scale. Most gates are electronically controlled to open or close after a designated action is taken. If you currently own a truck scale and are interested in adding some of these accessories, or perhaps you're interested in purchasing a new truck scale and would like to incorporate some of these accessories into your new installation, give us a call at 919-776-7737 or visit our website, which is centralcarolinascale.com.